In the last session, we have discussed about profit and loss. Now let us understand with some example from the exercise 8.3. Question 5. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much money do I get for it? In that case, the cost price of TV is given, it's a rupees 10,000. Here profit in percentage is given, it's a 20%. Now profit is equal to profit in percentage of CP. Profit in percentage, it's a 20%. So divide it by the 100. Then multiply with the CP, that is 10,000. So here it's become 20 divide 100 multiply 10,000 20 cut. 20 multiply 100, it's a rupees 2,000. That is the profit. Now selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So our cost price, it's a 10,000 and profit, it's a 2,000. So selling price, it becomes 12,000. Hence he gets rupees 12,000 on selling his TV. Now question 6 from exercise 8.3. Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. She loses 20% in the bargain. What was the price at which she bought it? Now here selling price is given. It's a rupees 13,500. Loss in percentage is given. It's a 20%. Here we don't know the cost price. So we just assume cost price of washing machine, it's rupees X. Apply the formula. Loss is equal to loss in percentage of CP. So loss is equal to loss in percentage, it's a 20%. CP, that is X. Now 20%, so divide it by the 100, then multiply with X. So here 20 divide 100. So 25 is 100. So here it becomes X divide 5. Now selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Here selling price is 13,500. Our cost price that we have assumed X. Loss X upon 5. So 13,500 is equal to 4x divide 5. Here x minus x upon 5. So we can write it as a 5x. Multiply this 5 with x. So 5x minus x divide 5. So it becomes 4x divide 5. Now change the side. So x is equal to 13,500 multiply 5 and then divide 4. So it rupees 16,875. That is our x. And x means that is the cost price of washing machine. Question 8. Amina buys a book for rupees 275 and sells it at a loss of 15%. How much does she sell it for? In that case, CP is given rupees 275. Loss in percentage is given, it's a 15%. Apply the formula. Loss is equal to loss in percentage of CP. Loss in percentage, it's a 15%. CP rupees 275. Here 15, it is in percentage form. So divide it by the 100. Then multiply with the 275. So our answer is rupees 41.25. That is our loss in the form of rupees. Now selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Our cost price rupees 275, loss rupees 41.25. So it becomes rupees 233.75. That is selling price. Now let us discuss another concept from this exercise, that is increase or decrease as percentage. A school team won 6 games this year against 4 games won last year. What is the percentage increase? From the questions, we can conclude that a school team won 6 games this year against 4 games won last year. Means last year 4 games won and this year 6 games won. So it is in increase form. If the difference we find, then it is 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. In number it increases to 2. But if we want to find how many percentage it's increased, in that case we have to apply this formula. Percentage increase is equal to amount of change divide original amount, then multiply with the 100. So here we can write it increase in the number of wins divide original number of wins, then multiply with the 100. In short, in the above we have to write the difference, whether it is an increase or decrease. So here difference 6 minus 4 it's a 2. Original number it's a 4. Multiply with the 100. 25 4 is 100. 2 multiply 25. So our answer is 50%. So it increased 50%. Let us understand with some example from the exercise. Question 3. The population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decrease. First what we have to do? First we have to find the difference. Population decrease is equal to 25,000 minus 24,500. So its difference is equal to 500. So difference that we have to write above. And below that is your original number. Original number means it's a 25,000. Then multiply with the 100. 20 cut. Here 10 is also cut. 25 2 is 50. So our answer is 2%. The percentage decrease it's a 2%. Let us take another example. Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. The next year the price went up to rupees 3,70,000. What was the percentage of price increase? So first we have to find out the difference between them. So difference 3,70,000 minus 3,50,000, it's rupees 20,000. So that difference we have to write above 20,000. In the original amount, that is 3,50,000. Then multiply with the 100. So 20 cut. Here also 20 cut. Now it becomes 200 divide 35. 200 divide 35. Now when we divide this, our answer is 5 by 7 percentage. Now in that case, you can also write the answer in the form of the fraction form. Also it is right. And if you write the answer in the form of point, means in the decimal form, that is also the right. the next concept that we will discuss in the next session. Thank you.